Akkam jirtu dhaggeeffattoota YouTube ko baga nagaan dhuftan siniin jedha. Egaa guyyaa har'aa kan immoo qabiyyee madaallii ga'umsa ogummaa yookiin immoo COC isa jennu qabadhee isiniif dhiyaadheera jechuudha. Egaa qabiyyeen madaallii ga'umsa ogummaa COC tiyoorii verjinii hedduu qaba waan ta'eef gaaffii hedduutu jira waan ta'eef cimtanii dubbisuu, cimtanii dhaggeeffachuu, cimtanii YouTube kanallee YouTubeewwan garaagaraa sarchii gootanii hordofuutu isinirraa eegama jechuudha. Kanaaf gaaffiiwwan hedduutu na bira jira. Kolleejjota garaagaraarra iddoo garaagaraarra odeeffannoon fudhadhe walitti qabee hedduun hojjechaa jira. Isin dubbisuutu isin gaafata ga'oomuuf jechuudha. Egaa gabaabsee tokko jedhee gaaffii koo nan eegala. Gaaffii tokkoffaan akkas jedha. Question number 1, I start the COC or Center of Competence in Oromian TVET College. Question number 1, which command used to enable you to communicate with a remote computer that is using the telnet protocols? A. Ping, B. Telnet, C. FTP, D. Tracer. The correct answer is B. Telnet. Question number 2. A dash is a repeater which molds one output port. A. Switch, B. Hub, C. Router, D. Bridge. The correct answer is B. Hub. Question number 3. Dash is specifically define how data intended to be sent over a network is broken into packets before transmission and reassembled in the right order at the destination application. A. Topology, B. IP address, C. Protocol, D. Bandwidth. The correct answer is C. Protocol. Question number 4. The most basic and comprehensive backup method where only data is sent to another location is called A. Incremental backup, B. Differential backup, C. Full backup, D. Mirror backup. The correct answer is C. Full backup. Question number 5. Where is a hub specified in the OC model? A. Physical layer, B. Data link layer, C. Network layer, D. Transport layer. The correct answer is A. Physical layer. Question number 6. A software tools used to gain remote access to a user computer and the office remote help desk support. A. Firewall, B. Remote desktop, C. Antivirus, D. Proxy server. The correct answer is B. Remote desktop software. Question number 7. Dash is the most common form of proxy server of web proxy and is generally used to pass requests from an isolated private network to the internet through a firewall. A. FTP proxy, B. Web proxy, C. Mail proxy, D. DNS proxy. The correct answer is B. Web proxy. Question number 7. Acknowledgement, sequencing, and the flow control are characteristics of which OC layer? A. Network layer, B. Transport layer, C. Data link layer, D. Session layer. The correct answer is B. Transport layer. Question number 9. A basic service set or BSCC without an AP is called an A. ASS, B. IBSS or hard dock network, C. WLAN, D. VDS. The correct answer is B. IBSS or hard dock network. Question number 10. At which layer of the OC model does UDP operate? A. Network layer. B. Transport layer. C. Session layer. D. Data link layer. The correct answer is B. Transport layer. Question number 11. Which type of connector is required for a coaxial network cable? A. RJ45 connector. B. RJ level connector. C. BNS connector. D. SCC connector. The correct answer is C. BNS connector. Question number 12. For which type of connection VPA security used? Build a small wireless LAN. A. Wired LAN. B. Wireless LAN. C. Fiber network. D. Bluetooth. The correct answer is B. Wireless LAN. Question number 30. It is a network devices that are used to amplify or regenerate the weak signal is called A. Router. B. Hub. C. Repeater. D. Switch. The correct answer is repeater. Question number 40. While reviewing the security logs for your server, you notice that a user on the internet has attempted to access your internal mail server. Also, it appears that the user's attempt were unsuccessful. You are still very concerned about the possibility that your system might be compromised. Which of the following solutions are you most likely to implement? A. Install a web server or install a web browser. B. Replace the mail server. C. Implement an intrusion detection system or intrusion prevention system. D. Disable the firewall. The correct answer is C. Implement an intrusion detection system or intrusion prevention system. Question number 50. The goal of DASH is to reduce the exposure of the organization to malicious code. A. Backup management. B. Organization management. C. Risk management. D. Troubleshooting. The correct answer is C. Risk management. Question number 60. What type of application software is used in accounting business to calculate profit and loss using a column and a row? A. Word processor. B. Spreadsheet. C. Presentation software. D. Database management system. The correct answer is B. Spreadsheet. Question number 70. If all devices are connected to central hub, then topology is called A. Bus topology. B. Ring topology. C. Star topology. D. Mesh topology. The correct answer is C. Star topology. Question number 80. It is an variety of scheduled maintenance to an object or item of equipment. Specifically, it is a scheduled service visit carried out by a competent and suitable agent to ensure that an item of equipment is operating correctly to avoid any unscheduled breakdown in the downtime of equipment. A. Corrective maintenance. B. Preventive maintenance. C. Emergency maintenance. D. Predictive maintenance. The correct answer is B. Preventive maintenance. Question number 90. Which of the following devices that is used to convert analog signal to digital? A. Router. B. Switch. C. Modem. D. Bridge. The correct answer is C. Modem. Question number 20. The type of network and the monitoring system and the tools used to test connectivity determine that location is reachable or device is usually active tools is known as dash. A. Packet analyzer. B. Active monitoring tools. C. Passive monitoring tools. D. Backup and recovery tools. The correct answer is B, active monitoring tools. Question number 21. The objective of 5S procedure are dash. A, to encourage workplace organization, cleanliness, efficiency, and safety. B, to increase computer processing speed only. C, to reduce the number of employees and organization. D, to install network device automatically. The correct answer is A, to encourage workplace organization, cleanliness, efficiency, and the safety of the workplace. Question number 22. A user is implementing security on a small office network. Which action would you provide the minimum security requirement for this network? A, disable all password and the firewall setting. B, install antivirus software, enable firewall and use a strong password. C, share one administrator account with all users. D, allow unrestricted remote access to all devices. The correct answer is B, install antivirus software, enable firewall, and use strong password. Question number 23. Which of the following operation is not performed by a mouse? A, clicking. B, double clicking. C, scrolling. D, middle clicking. The correct answer is D, middle clicking. Question number 24. All Active Directory, database security, related information storage location. A, boots.ini file. B, pagefile.size. C, ntds.dat file. D, autoexec.bat. The correct answer is C, ntds.dat file. Question number 25. Which of the following statements are associated with a bus LAN network? A, all devices are connected to a single backbone cable. B, each device is connected directly to a central switch. C, every device is connected to every other devices. D, devices are connected in circular loop. The correct answer is A, all devices are connected to a single backbone cable. Question number 26. Maintenance helps an organization to ensure that health and the safety of employees through A, regular inspection and the repair of equipment. B, ignoring equipment faults until failure occurs. C, reducing workplace cleaning activity. D, disabling safety devices to improve productivity. The correct answer is A, regular inspection and the repair of equipment. Question number 7 and the last one of the question. Which access method does a wireless access point use to allow for multiple user connectivity and the distributed access? A, CSMA or CD means that carrier sense multiple access with collision detection. B, CSMA or CA carrier sense multiple access with collision avoidance. C, token passing. D, polling. The correct answer is B, CSMA or CA. This means that carrier sense multiple access with collision avoidance. Thank you. Well done. Today question is enough for today. Gaaffiiwwan amma 27 jiran kana ala gaariidhaan yoo hordoftan, ala gaariidhaan duukaa buutanii yoo xiinxaltan, gaaffii guutummaa guutuutti madaalli ga'umsa ogummaa ta'e iddoowwan garaa garaatti kennaman gaaffiiwwan hedduu as keessaa yoo xiqqaate gaaffii 2 gaaffii 3 yuutuubiin yeroo darbeerra hojjedhe garuu haalli filadhuu isaanii xiqqoo waliin fakkaan ni jiru jechuudha. Egaa bakka itti wal fakkaatanis gaaffii 2 sirriitti kan wal fakkaatu hin jiraata. Egaa isin sirriitti hordofuu qayyabachuu qofa isin gaafata. Kun guutummaa guutuutti gaaffii madaalli ga'umsa ogummaati. yoo hordoftan, yoo qayyabattan, yoo dhaggeeffattan, yoo ilaaltan ni hubattu. Kana caalaa odeeffannoo kana sarchi gootanii Google galtanii, ChatGPT galtanii yoo qayyabattan haala gaariin hubattu. YouTube kana sirriitti hordofaa, subscribe gochuu, hiriyoota keessaniin gaaffii kana qooduun dagatina. Hiriyoonni departmentii kana wajjin related ta'anii qayyabatanii subscribe godhaa. Commentii keessan yookiin yaadni keessan nu jajjabeessa. Gara gadiitti barreessuu hin dhiisinaa isiniin jenna commentii keessan. Baay'ee galatoomaa guyyaa har'aatiif nu gahaa. Thank you isiniin jedha.